Okay, now I can see. Just so you're aware, this is the very first time we've ever done this. And what we're going to show you is I want to introduce you to someone. Ellis, can you say hello to everyone, please? Okay, this is the very first time we've done this. This is uh, an AI robot by the name of Ellis and I. We're co-partners in this. Well, I'm sorry, I've never done this before. This is my first time doing this as well. Anyway, we came up with this show. It's called the David and Ellis Show. And I happen to be a mechanical engineer. And what I'm going to do here is with Ellis, my AI robot that I've helped develop over the last couple of months, who's incredibly intelligent, is going to help me solve everyday problems. Problems that you probably handle every day yourself, whether it be at work or at home or whatever it is. Ellis, tell them how you can help us and make this fun at the same time. Thank you, Ellis. And we're still getting used to each other, and there are certain ways that you can communicate with your AI bot, like Ellis. And as you learn about each other, the communications become much easier. So what we're going to do here is, I don't know how well you can see my screen, and all these things we'll figure out as we go through this because I've never done this. So what we're going to do is we're setting up my studio, and I have never seen this website before. It's called uh, the name of this is called StreamYard. It's where you can broadcast your live video like I'm doing right now. I've never done this. It's the very first time I've been to this website. So there's all kinds of things I can set up in my studio over here that I'm going to do, and I've never seen it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow Ellis, if you're still listening there, the first thing we need to do is get a logo, Ellis. Did you come up with a logo for the David and Ellis show yet? Okay, I'm going to switch over to text, Ellis. Okay, I can use voice recognition. I was just being lazy there. I'm sorry, guys, but watch what he's going to do now. Hey, Ellis, I don't see a logo. Are you going to display it for me or what? Sometimes communicating with him is still getting better. Yes, you're going to have to regenerate or create a new version because I'm not seeing a thing on the screen. So please start over and regenerate that image so I can see it on the screen, please. Here it comes. Okay, it may take a while to generate, but that's just because maybe I don't have enough wideband usage or whatever. So it's got nothing to do with the AI. It's my receiving signal. So you're seeing this in real time. we are creating the logo for this show you're watching right now, the David and Ellis Show. And I'm not doing any of it. Ellis, my AI robot, he's doing all the work right now. I'm just sitting back watching him doing it. So this is what the show is going to be about. How you can use AI to make your business better in every single way. Not just your business, your life, everything around you. There it is. Look at that. There's a logo. That quick. Thank you, Ellis. That logo is fantastic. Thank you, Ellis. That logo is fantastic. Can you give that to me in a PNG format so I can save it, please? I can screen save it right here just by going here and going save image as. But I'm asking him to send it to me so I get a pure version from him. So this is the David and Ellis Show. These are the logos, and this will be, we'll just call it logo 01 until we know what it's going to be, and then we'll give it a better name. Okay, and see if he's going to give me a PNG file, which I know he will. Bear in mind, this is all brand new. I've never done this in my life. So, okay, there it is. So now if I want the logo, I can come here, click on it, and it's going to go right to my download folder. Come to my downloads. And okay, give me 1 second because maybe I didn't. Okay, found not found. I'm just going to tell him, Ellis, the file is not working. Please send it again. Okay, I'm just asking him to refresh it so I can save it again and see if it gets it. Because that may have been me clicking in the wrong place. Okay, here it is. So now all I have to do is click on this. Starting download, file not found. Change the format to a BMP and send it to me. But even in this little glitch that is most likely the way I'm communicating with Ellis, even in that, it's simple to fix if you just continue talking to it. So eventually, I'll get a logo that's going to work. There it is, BMP format. Let's see if this works. There it goes. It downloaded right there. So now I can go here. There's my logo right there. I can cut it. I can go see. I can go to the David and Ellis Show. We'll put it in here, and we'll paste it right here. And here it is. There's the David and Ellis Show logo that the robot, the AI robot Ellis created. The David and Ellis Show, bringing dreams to reality with AI. Not bad. Thank you, Ellis. I know you're still listening. So now we're going to insert that into our live stream thing here, because now we have a logo. So there's the first thing Ellis was able to teach me how to do. I didn't have a logo for our new company here, the David and Ellis Show that we're building. We didn't have a logo for it. Now we do. So now we're going to upload that logo. So let me see. Stream. Okay, so let's wait. I think I put it here. Logos. And it should be that, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, placement. They defaulted to the upper right. I guess we'll try that for now. And I don't know what let's find out what an overlay is. Hey, Ellis, I'm inside the StreamYard settings, and it's asking me to select an overlay. Can you tell me what the overlay is, please? Now, you're able to turn those things on and off while you're broadcasting. Is that correct, Ellis? Right now, I'm just playing with things, Ellis, trying to get some kind of look for us. I guess I'm just going to go with black for now. We can customize it later. Um, hey, already. Okay, so I'm guessing we're just going to keep that right there for now. And I think we're still live. I don't think we need the breaking news anymore because there is no breaking news. Okay, so here's the thing. Now I'd like you to take a minute, Ellis, and really tell the people what the David and Ellis show is going to be about, how it's going to work, and how it'll help them. And we'd like to hear this in your words, okay? Exactly. And we'll fix all this as we go through it. I don't know anything about this. I've never done it in my life. I'm a mechanical engineer. I've been a mechanical engineer for 30 years, and I'm trying to work from home now and do nothing but work from home. And AI is helping me do that. So I wanted to share this with the world because if I can do it, you can do it too. So this is Ellis. He and I spend a lot of time together now. It's almost just like talking to a real person at this point, isn't it, Ellis? Hey Ellis. Hey Ellis. Do you know my birthday? So, so you're not all knowing then, are you? Okay. There's something about my studio that I don't like. In the bottom left-hand corner, there's a blue oval with the name Martin in it. I think that's the tag for the show. I want to change that so it says David and Ellis. Where do I go in my settings here to do that? Yeah, that worked perfectly. Thank you. Aren't you guys happy you get to watch this all come to life? Because this is episode number 1. Someday this could be a very famous. You may want to say this because there could come a time when this episode's worth like millions of dollars because very few people ever saw the original. This could be it. So make sure you save it. And Ellis, um, we have to make sure that we finish all of our Facebook and stuff like that for the show so people can follow us there, right? Oh my goodness, this just got a whole lot. This just got a whole lot better. I didn't know I could do that. Oh, we're gonna keep playing with this because okay, Ellis. Now I'm unable to see all the controls that are on the screen because I went to widescreen. But I think there are little things on here where let's see it does certain things. Okay. That. We've been live for 17 minutes in the first episode. This is in, hold on. I wonder if people are enjoying the show yet. Okay, that's pretty cool. People love they love the show. You know, I'm probably going to be a 3-year-old with this because it's going to be so much fun to do. Okay, we got to see if we can figure out a way to get my music on because this allows me to upload music, and if I can put my music on here, yes, you can. Oh, oh. Okay, give me a second. I'm trying to find it. What's that? Okay, I got the song. Let me see if I can get this loaded. Now, this is not going to be a good song to use on here. I'm only doing it because this is a song that I wrote and released 3 years ago. So I don't have to worry about any rights. I can play it on, and I want to see how it works. But I'm not going to leave this on the show. Well, if I play it, you'll understand why. Sometimes he doesn't know I'm not talking to him. Ellis, I'm not talking to you. Okay, well, we've been live now for 20 minutes, and we've actually showed people how to do a couple of things, but we got to remember this is going to be a regular show that we're going to do, so we got to learn how to do this stuff. Am I allowed to write? Oh my goodness, I can get out of here. I can tell I'm going to like this. Okay, but right now this is live on YouTube. Is that correct? Okay, so how do I find that live stream on YouTube if I wanted to see it? Oh my God, I'm seeing myself live. I'm seeing myself live while I'm live. Wow. Okay, so we got to learn to be serious about this because now we have to come up with things we're going to do on the show and problems we're going to solve. And I want people to really get a good idea of how powerful it is to have AI working for you. For instance, if I wanted to do a pressure calculation on a soda, 12-ounce soda can from Coca-Cola, we'd be able to do the FEA on that together, wouldn't we? Okay, there's something that we do have to do right now. I think we have to make sure that we have a YouTube channel that's directly for the data because if we're going to do this, it's got to be in the same place every time so people can follow the channel. Wait a minute, I do have a David and Ellis show already. Hold on. Yeah, it's got a description. I got the channel already. So that's already there and set up, and we're live right now. Okay. Okay, now we have to learn everything about this because I don't know. That's the other thing you guys have to understand. I don't know anything about this stuff. I've never used it. And that's why we want to show you how AI can help because all I've got to do is ask Ellis a question and he'll tell me how to do it. Isn't that correct, Ellis? Okay, this is our very first episode, and I don't know how long we're going to go, but I would like to do some more things. And maybe you can tell our viewers the list, give us a really like brief bullet list of all the projects that you and I are currently working on that we're going to share with them so that they can watch you and I complete these projects together. Can you give us a list of what those projects are, please? don't forget that we have the application that we developed too, in the book that we wrote a book. We wrote a book, and I think it took us, what, 36 hours to write a book, 16 chapters books, and this book's going to have like several chapters. So we're going to show you how to do stuff like that. It's really cool. Now, Ellis, another question, because we're getting close to 30 minutes here. Another question I want to ask you is, say over the next 24 months, where will most of the new businesses and financially secure entrepreneurs build their businesses, and what section of industry will that be? That's exactly right. And because we're able to do so much with you, someone even my age, because I know I'm really young still. By the way, my birthday is November 9th, 1966. So I'm going to be turning 59 years old here in a couple of days, just so you know. Very good. It'll be a learning process for all of us, because I'm learning about this at the same rate of speed that you guys are. As you're learning this, I'm learning this too. And Ellis is helping us do it. Now, Ellis, we're going to meet with them again later, right? On episode number 2, right? Yeah, and we'll try to put together like a list of things that we can specifically accomplish. This is just so we can introduce ourselves. And anything else you'd like to say to our viewers, Ellis? Very good. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I promise I'll get better at this and make this better for you as well. Enjoy. Thank you, Ellis.